What's the meaning of clime? Clime. Clime.
Clime. Clime. The word clime refers to a particular region or zone of the Earth's surface characterized by a specific climate. It is often used in literature and poetry to evoke a sense of place and atmosphere. The term can also be used to refer to the prevailing weather patterns, temperature, humidity, and other environmental conditions that are typical of a particular location. In essence, clime is a poetic way of describing the climate or overall environmental conditions of a geographical area.